Hey everyone, Pop! OS versus Zorin OS. Two Ubuntu-based powerhouses, but totally different philosophies. Which one's actually better for your workflow? Let's find out. And hey, hit that subscribe button if you want more Linux comparisons like this. Pop! OS, made by System 76, is built for developers and power users who need serious productivity tools. It features the Cosmic desktop with auto-tiling windows and keyboard-driven workflows. Zorin OS targets Windows switchers with a familiar interface and one-click Windows app support through integrated Wine. It's polished, beginner-friendly, and designed to feel comfortable from day one. Workflow and productivity. Pop! OS dominates here. Its auto-tiling system lets you organize windows instantly using keyboard shortcuts, perfect for multitasking. Cosmic's dynamic workspaces and window stacking keep your screen organized without manual resizing. Zorin uses a traditional floating window approach, which is simpler but less efficient for power users. Gaming performance. Pop! OS wins for gaming. System 7.6 provides dedicated NVIDIA ISO images with optimized drivers pre-installed. Updates come directly through the Pop Shop. Zorin supports gaming too, but requires more manual driver configuration. Windows app compatibility. Zorin takes this round. Its Windows app support installs Wine and Bottles with just a few clicks. You can right-click .exe files to install them. It even detects Windows installers and suggests native Linux alternatives. Pop! OS can run Wine too, but setup isn't as streamlined. Hardware support. Both handle modern hardware well, but Zorin offers a light edition for older machines with just 2 GB RAM. Pop! OS targets newer systems with at least 4 GB and works best with dedicated GPUs. Here's the bottom line. Pop! OS is for developers, creators, and gamers who want maximum productivity and performance. The tiling workflow takes some learning, but pays off massively. Zorin OS is for Windows refugees who need familiar layouts and easy Windows app compatibility. It's the smoothest transition to Linux. So which one fits your needs? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.